Continue the class. Your second bit. Page number is the 87. Telangana State Book. Exercise 7. All problems and solutions. Okay. What's the second bit in the second question only? If angle of 3 equal to 45 degrees and then angle of 7 equal to, okay, these are the two lines is the parallel lines only. Already given in that L and MR is the parallel, N is the transversal. So that's why here it is the 3. 3 is the alternative interior angles. Okay, na? Interior angles. So that's why the alternative interior angles are equal. So that's why here it is the angle of 3 equal to 45 degrees. If it's a 7 is also 45 degrees. And here it is also, this is 2 angle of 2 equal to angle of 6 is both are the equal only. So that's why here it is the angle of 7 equal to 45 degrees. Okay, notes is also okay. Gagan sign Italy. Are you understood Gagan sign Italy? Here it is that angle of 3. Here it is that 1, 2, 7 and 8. So angle of 3. Angle of 3 means this like only 3, and here it is also 6, and here it is a 4, and here it is a 5. Angle of 3. Angle of 3 is also 45 degrees, and then is a what's are here it is also alternative of interior angles. So those are is the same only. So that's why here it is also 45 degrees, and angle of 7 is also 45 degrees. You can understand Gagan sign Italy. And next one is the angle if third bit. If angle of 2 equal to 90 degrees, then angle of 8. Angle of 2. Okay, now angle of 2 equal to 90 degrees, then is the angle of 8 is also opposite of angle. Opposite of angle is also 90. Why? Because here these are the two lines. Adjacent angles. Both are the adjacent angles. So two angles are equal to the 80 degrees. So that's why this is also 90. This is also 90. This is 1 unequal to the 7 and 2 equal to 8. 2 equal to the 8. Both are the equal only. So that's why here it is the angle of 2 equal to 90 degrees, and angle of 8 is also opposite. Angle is also 90 degrees. You can understand Gagan sign Italy. Okay, 8 is also both are the opposite angles, because these are is the two parallel lines. So that's why here both are the equal only. And next is the fourth bit. Here if angle of 4 equal to 100 degrees, then angle of 8 equal to dash. Angle of 4. Angle of 4, here it is the angle of 4 and angle of 8. Angle of 4 equal to 100 degrees, and angle of these are is the 2 is the exterior angles. So why? Because here it is the outside of that L and M lines. So that's why the exterior angles. Exterior angles. Alternative of exterior angles is also equal. So that's why this is the 100. If it's a angle of 4 equal to 100, and if it's a angle of 8 is also same angle, and here it is also one angle is also same, and 5 is also both are the same. Why? Because because here lines is also in case is the lines is also parallel. Both lines is a parallel. So that's why here it is the angle of 4 equal to 100 degrees, and then is the same as it is, and 8 is also both are the 100 degrees, and here it is also 1,5 is also same measurements. And here it is also third problem. And find the measures of a x, y and z in the figure where L parallel to BC. Here it is the figure, you can see better neatly textbook. Here it is the line of that L, and here it is the triangle. Here it is also triangle, ABC triangle, and here it is also BC. This is the L is parallel to BC. Okay, in your notebook is also there, and L is parallel to BC. Parallel means here it is the extent of this like only. Here both are the lines is all are the equal. So that's why this is the triangle. Triangle means is the 3 angles only. Sum of the 3 angles are equal to 180 degrees. Here it is also, you can this like of extending of this like only, this lights BC line is also extended, so that's why you can both are that one only. This is the this like and this like both are that angle of 75 అంటే y angle and y equal to the 75 degrees only. Here both are the equal and the same side of that angle only. And here it is also 45 degrees and this like is also C is also 45 degrees. Okay, guys, I neatly understand. And Z means is also 45 degrees. Okay, na? Same side of that angles are equal only. So that's why here it is also what's are there alternative interior angles. So these are is the alternative interior angles are the same only. Okay, guys, I neatly. So that's why here it is the blue pen. Here it is alternative interior angles. This is the transversal of that line. Okay, na? Transversal of line. This is the alternative. Okay, and this is also. And so that's why angle of y is equal to 75 degrees and angle of z is also 45 degrees from the figure. Okay, guys, neatly. Yeah, you all are that the three sides angles are equal to sum of the three angles are equal to 180 degrees. X and y and z is also 180 degrees. So that's why is the x, you don't know the x, you don't know the value of one value of is don't know. So that's why remaining two all already given there in our given data. So that's why x is as it is, you can write down. Y measurements is already given there. So otherwise the 75 degrees and your z is also already given is the 45 degrees and this is a 180 degrees. Okay, guys, I neatly. And x 75 plus 45, 75 and 45. 10 5 5 is a 10 7 plus 11 12 only 120. Okay, 75 plus 45 is a 120 degrees equal to the 180 degrees. And you can x equal to 180. Yeah, after equal to the then is a plus, it becomes to minus 120. So x equal to the 180 minus of 120 equal to the 60 degrees. X value, you can know the x value is a 60 degrees. You can understood guys neatly. Yeah, this is all are understood guys because these are is the two lines are that same only. So that's why the alternative interior angles are the same. And next one is the this is the solution is over in that the third problem, and select goes to the fourth problem. Fourth problem solution. Here it is the your textbook. I read the your textbook guys neatly. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Find angle of B, angle of C and angle of D. Here it is the quadrilateral. Here it is AB. AB is parallel to CD. Okay, na? DC. And AD is also parallel to BC. Okay, all are that equal only. So that's very easily, dead easily problem. Guys, I neatly understood first of all. Here it is also angle of A. Angle of A here it is 50 degrees. But you don't know that the B and C and D. So that's why you can here it is that what's our angle of A. A is the 50 degrees. I think if it's opposite is also same only. Why? Because these are is the two are the parallel only. So that's why here it is also C is also 50 degrees. Okay. And here remaining is B and D is also remaining two angles is also both are the equal only. Why? Because both are the equal of the quadrilateral only. Parallel only. So that's why these are is the you don't know that the first of all you can find out that this only. Here these are is that angle of B plus angle of B plus angle of A equal to angle of A angle of A equal to this is the A means is already given here it is angle of A equal to the adjacent angles. So both are the adjacent angles are one angle AB angle and BC angle, both are the adjacent angles. Two adjacent sum of the two adjacent angles equal to the 180 degrees. Okay, guys, neatly angle of B. substitute the value as angle A. Angle A is the 50 degrees. Already substitute the angle of 50 degrees. So that's why this is the 50 and here it is also 180 degrees. Angle of B equal to 180 and here plus 50 after equal to the it becomes to minus 50. So that's why equal to 180 minus 50 equal to 130. Okay, Gagan, so neatly understood. Angle of B you can understood of what's for 130. So that's why this is the 130 and here it is also, then is the opposite is also 130. Okay, Gagan, say, and here it is also C is also 50 only. What's write it, Gagan, say neatly. Angle B you can find out the what's the value, or you can find out here it is B. B means is the 130 degrees. Okay, then is the C. C is directly you can write down here it is. Here C means is the 50 degrees. Why? Because your opposite angles are both are the equal in our quadrilateral only. So that's why you can directly you can write down here it is the C equal to the 50 degrees. And again is the D. D means is the also D is the here it is also 130. So that's why this is also angle of D is also both are the angle of D and angle of B. Both are that 130 degrees. Okay, angle of C and angle of B both are equal to 50 degrees. You can understand, I can say, why? Because here since because AAB parallel to BC quadrilateral. So that's why this law is the equivalent. Okay. Otherwise you can another you can take the two adjacent angles also other method and B plus C. That is also leave it only. If it's directly you can write down here it is. Okay, the solution you can understand the concern neatly. And two angles you can find out here. It is substitute the values of the B value and you can again this value is also there and you can so late to I that method only. So that's why I leave it only. You can directly you can quadrilateral. Why? Because you can already know that given the data is already given the quadrilateral is already 2 is a parallel only. So then directly you can write down that answer. You can easily understood the answer neatly. Yeah, shall I goes to that this one another solution, another fifth problem solution. You can shall I start with the fifth one? Yeah, you can understood Gagan sign neatly. Other you can write is also angle C, angle D is also 180. Substitute the values of B. C only. C means is a 50 degrees angle D. Okay, and this is a 180. So the angle D equal to the 180 minus of substitute plus 50 is the here it is the minus 50 after equal to. So that's why angle of D equal to the 130 degrees. That is also leave it. Otherwise you can directly go. Okay. This is the two angles. You can find out the two angles. If you will get the one or single angle, it will get the answer only. So that's why you can, yeah, next one you can select goes to the fifth problem. Fifth problem solution. First of all, I read in our textbook. In a given figure, L and M are intersected by transversal. N is L parallel to M. Okay. Here it is the given figure. You see the figure 2 is the parallel line. Here it is L and M is a parallel. So that's why N is the transversal of this one. And next is the intersect of the transversal L and M. So here it is that AB points. Here it is that CD. Here it is the P and Q and RS is also declared there in the lines names. And here it is also R1 is that exterior. This is the outside because you can this is the outside of the two angles are given here it is, and this is the outside of that L and M. So that is the exterior of that exterior angles. This is the same side of the exterior angles, same side of the transversal of exterior angles. So both are that sum. So exterior alternative. This is the exterior angles on the same side of the transversal N only. Okay. Here sum of the angles is 100 plus 80. 8 both are the 180. So that's why here is it correct? Is a parallel is also is a 180 degrees. Okay. So that's why it is correct or wrong? one interior plus one exterior is all equal to 180 degrees, and both are the interior plus interior equal to the 180 degrees, and exterior plus interior is also 180 degrees. These are as 2 exterior is also 180 degrees, but here it is also 2 exterior is also 180 degrees. One interior plus one exterior is also 180 degrees. Both are 2 interior is also 180 degrees. So that's why, is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, this is also both are the parallel. Here it is a what's one, you can angle of here it is that AQP, and one more here it is the RCS. Okay, these all are is the what's one, these all are is the exterior angles on the same side only. Angle of AQP and angle of C or S. Okay, are exterior angles on the same side. Okay, on the same side of the transversal N. Okay, Gagan, say neatly sum of the angles. Sum of the two angles. Sum of the two angles equal to angle of what's one 100 plus 80 equal to 180 degrees. You can understand, Gagan, say neatly. Yeah, why? Because you can this is it L is parallel to M only. Okay, since L and M is parallel only, so you can understand is both are that what's one, you can these are is the adjacent of angles only, exterior angles. So that's why the same side of the transversal of N. So that's why the sum of the two angles are equal to the 180 degrees. Why? Because these are is the lines is are all parallel only. So is it correct? Say yes. This is also here correct only. Next problem. Next is the sixth problem. Textbook you can say, see, find the angle of A, angle of B, angle of C, angle of D, then angle of E in the figure. Give reasons. Here it is the C button neatly. Yeah, note is also there in the under the figure. Note means is the two arrow marks pointing in the same direction represent the parallel lines. These are all are the, you can observing there neatly, you can observing Gagan say all are the parallel lines, but there is a length is and angles and length and size is all, sides is also, everything is gonna same size only. Because you can these all is the parallel lines only. You can observing neatly, and arrow marks is also you can observing. The first one is the arrow marks up, down and up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's why you can these all is that is the same direction, and you can is a parallel direction. So that's why these are all is the alternative interior angles are given here. It is. So that's why you can find out there only. First one is the one is there. It is the A. Or you're not there only. So B angle. Next is the you can B. So that's why is the C. And then you can D. And you can here it is the first one. You don't know the A here not given. Here it is the B angle and is a B. And C is also same 50. Here it is the 50 and here E also 50 only. And you can understand, you can say here it is also alternative, you can same only. So that's why you can understand of Gagan say this R is the extent of the two lines is also there, and you can that is also parallel to that it is that opposite of this like, and 50 are same like this is also 50 only. Why? Because you can here it is also alternative interior angles are equal. So that's why here it is also 50. I think if it's A angle A is also 50, Angle of C is also 50, then is also B is also 50, then here is also E is also 50, and here it is also D is also 50. Why? Because your alternative interior angles are both are equal. Why? Because two lines are either parallel to equal only. So that's why the alternate interior angles are equal only. Interior you can understand. So once is not given, here it is the 50 and here not given. So that's why again is the 50. Here it is the 50 and here it is the, this is the 50. This angle is already given. Here it is, and opposite of interior angles, alternative interior angles is also 50. Okay, guys, I neatly. Yeah, here what sir? Here it is angle of A and angle of B and angle of C. You can understand, guys. Give reasons. Here two arrow marks are pointing in the same direction, represent the parallel lines. So that's why your extended means is this like only. This like so both are the parallel. This is the transversal of transversal only. So that's why this is the parallel. Parallel means is the one is that already given in the 50 degrees, and here this is also alternate interior of the angles is also same. So that's why is that this is the 50 and angle A is also 50, and then again is the this is also 50 alternative. Okay. Arrow mark, alternative of arrow mark, C also 50 and E also 50. So that's why this is also alternative interior, this is also same 50 only. Okay, Gagan, I neatly understood. This bit you can understood, Gagan, I neatly. All are equal to E is also all are 50 degrees only. All our angles are 50 degree. Why? Because these all our lines are equal to parallel only. So that's why each angle is are equal to the same. So that's why is everything all are is the angles are equal to 50 degrees only. You can understand, Gagan, say neatly. Why? Because these all is the parallel lines only. Since this is also parallel of lines. All our two lines are parallel. Two lines parallel. You can understand, Gagan, say neatly. Yes, LIR this year you can understand of this all are that exercise problems is today is over. Gagan, say neatly and this exercise, but there is no there of other only this chapter is also finishing. So that's why you can this is the exercise 7 all problems. All problems and solutions is
completed.
Solutions is completed. And here it is also chapter is a 4th chapter is also completed. Neatly understood, Gagan, sir?
Yes.
But you don't write neatly handwriting. You can write it neatly. Yeah. This is the completed your the notes plus explanation part and notes and each everything is the problems and solutions. Everything is all are finishing there in this. Today class is over. So today mathematics class is also over. Say thank you.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Tomorrow I will meet you next class and next lesson.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.